PM ewa Blekuma Wesia. Yebedru hana say adia Mpesuaso no. Miami ahudu a obehunu bie dan so mai Sahara obete kwei gbegbe se shiabu any adia na uba 275 constituencies na haka ho bia wo enkran metropolis ya there's a greater Accra region and Blekuma West wo member of parliament wo Mpesuaso ha maame Esla Ekofo na maame wo no na eswafo minister of communication na yeba ha na ye nante se ya ne se ye behwe se ene a yeba bepie mo ha edi na ekoso for so ba na wo so se ye be yi obi so o mede yanim kan ye no wo mo aye aha metropolitan area meka say oba ya sabi ahodo na wa nya baako oba ha say ya banks ahodo na wa nya baako ene ade ya a wo hwa eka Mpesuaso fufuro ya wo mte ye no 2012 a wo mo ye nyina no MPP fo ene da eguso a wo madi member of parliament ya besi ne ya Mami wonu na etuso a oguso edi member of parliament wa ha say ye enu nti bomre na ye nkwahwe akwan so wo mo kwan te say ya sabi ate say sadia wo mo ha wa ha say ni ade sadia nda no sa ne be no bebi e bo aba so ne ye bebo bebi e se etumi ehe han ne e kan say nya ene no ye be ka ma mo nyina ma wo ti ene me nante be ka mo ne ye entumi e ma pro e wo Mpesuaso in between Emmanuel Beth Center and GBC Ghana Believers Church, but there is school because Mr. Kwada told you more, so more can rhymes you. Said, yeah, you now we're school dinner here. Ensure ya better or Nasam Kitwan, ensure you shook a cranoa and Kanyari. If he's some shooting, yeah, and Kwada to Tofi, where she had the end, ensure tightly. Nefi wo mu haka kreya mu we chose mu akura eri me nya asem ketwa so imagine how ankwala nkatekete esuade na wo mote saa monchi monka we mu senti efiri mu ba nya asem ketwa na wo mu esuade wo mu we ye ka eso wa ebekwa ni tirim nie ye mbo rescue mu ye ni mpedifo ni nkomo petekwei ye wa Blekuma West ho na eguso Beto teacher ya wo GBC school Ghana Believers Church Preparatory and Junior High School. That's a school. Sorry school.
It's a mission school. Sorry school.
But why don't we imagine some mobile school?
Because the share area the children in this area they need help. And that is what the church can do to help the people.
Well, what are some of the challenges here? I mean, we talk about school fees, talk about feeding and all those things. Are there really issues bothering around things like that?
Yeah, this school is a private school, and because of the government schools around here, now government has set up better and good schools. So we are facing challenges. People are withdrawing their children from our private sectors to their government schools. And then when you are collecting school fees from children, it looks like others are not paying school fees somewhere, and why are you being asked on us sacking the school children for fees? And we have to do it. So for the case of school fees, I think we are really suffering.
Let's say a community here,
in this area, I think we need a lot of things in this area.
What are some of the issues?
Something like when it rains, water does not get a free flow of a place to pass, and you see because of the buildings around and things around here, people just dump rubbish at anyhow, and it's not easy when it rains. Especially when it rains, school children have to stay in their various houses for almost 1 week and those things
because I've been flooded.
Yes, this school is really a flooding area, a waterlogged area.
Because I could see some here more than here. Next you'll be taho if you soon. School
people from that is the neighbor houses. I think when it rains and they do any water thing in their various houses, they come there and come and throw it inside it. Especially even physics and those things. So even when children are in their classrooms learning, you even hear the smell and those things. So in this month, especially this March, you cannot stay in the classroom. You cannot stay in the classroom because the saints and then the water that will come to the compound, you not even get a place to the school.
And there's a direction on my
By 1 week and 4 days they will not come because of the flood, the water in the compound. We have reported
to mission school.
We have reported to AMA, that is our boss. He has reported to AMA, I think about 2 times, 3 times. They have been here, they will come and check 1 or 2 things. We don't know what they will tell them, then they will leave without doing anything about it. So I think we are really doing something about it. We are really doing. But when we call those in authorities to come and work there, they come and we don't know what they tell them. Then they go and they never come back.
You are Blakuma West, base Eka, you are Blakuma West constituency yard and so man can home. Now, ye make a Zuma baby by me, person who say, Dansuma ye baby uncle Fatia, uncle for Eddie, only a moment to dance about limited stuff like that. Only yes, I be. But the Sabi Dansuma actually pay crown issues over Yasam, even in Dansuman crown near Mauho. Yeah, who be here see betray near Baby. But base, Yabatum ran to Quabi Ida, one couple. Now I'm amazed, Monsieur Bibi said almost net ya Nagusway crown 25 million back. Really? That's a Jumane more day. Oh, a more day. Now by a near Behunu near maybe a yampe. Oh, yes, it's your bidda. Now me 2 men, who may be as your crowd, okay. May I and a tea good morning fiend to say, and answer Ketwa. Any secret, a no cry. Any who cried who says your time, where dear. Oh, who knows your papa, but who said we're a bridge, I yes, since your family should be any say who says your name. A fee na ye muma. Now Crawford die SC and 10. Now he said ye mutie. Now Crawford titimoa. No one that say ensure tona cholera tisimua. Ya mafo wu palo. Na minima the cronty at na one year to meet Snakrum capital. Na a Blakuma West. Ye shaman ye must say to me cosso. May any come. What can I say?
Oh, Yami Adom.
Your first say.
A friend Bernard.
Matrin yet. Oh, actually, hey,
oh, and yamwa, because ye bread and so toa. Ye mat me in school, and ye yam moapa.
Wait, what I'm saying, crying in school, and your quack to me school, no crying here. Because me who the old machine your tone say to me, Bufamu, Ebamo Demoa. Me was a pipelines cried them. Yeah, it's your FMU. And to say a fee say na pipelines in Demoa. Oh, any ambayale.
Oh, Yale, dear Yamina, like Yamina, dear, na yes, you are not. And yes, Anka, yeah, woo dada. Because near one casa we need to, and near own dear, and yet be a fine. And Nina Jinamua Musu.
Bamu Kahumbi. Ye few way more mutimu, Moana Moyo Yanamba.
Oh, like a year because of God and now moon yenu papa and say, and so no toa go a breed cassia and a faffin every baby ever goa and ye fin wasa.
As a Maquame by a tea and say, ye ba hay woms ah, and the TV wherever, what's the TV wherever? Ye wouldn't view, Namsi ah. Nanti money ne huna dia na some ya kan ya monte ana mote so muntu mi nja because then e koso say ya na yi na cholera na ya sheda amai ho so o ni yes nkrofo 54 people ensu afa wo mo o ya reho Ghana ye sympathize na sympathize hunu ni enya ho hwe ya na say kasa kekewu ana
no you are no kwale ona bia be ni kanu mo nyini bia nu rush o bia sana wona gota ona na fele fine onu you won way ajo go mugomba jego no ba obi apulent na fele fo si be ni eche bi na awasha afi awasha ni ngba wona bia na disturb ngo bia me ayo ni kwa na ka nyi fi awo no pe gba oju your problem ni obi
fan say bia aban nya sika na mom manpower na ni ho mo ye mrante me krom takrade a be kede bokotwi mokopo enti mo ho de eba no say yensom ne yemo a mo ye krado am betimi aboa na
yes oh nyi bo amode nyi tu na kan ni a won kwanyi fai nyi bo amode ga nu le ya ahia nyami nyi na nyi ga ro play ga nyi ba nyi won nyi na be ni bi ale oh nyi bo amode nyi tu na kan ni a won ya ajo won gbo onu won gbo oh nyi bo amode ya na kan ni
ade no grass and so to a eto de bi kra yetumi fashi pe na mu wa kra enti ade se edron so problem wa unni kwanse owo bia be ba be srawa.
I mean, news is just like that. Maybe I could be a sanity. Yet now, who never come nipa. If I never say, I come nipa. If you try, done what toy ten nipa far or more. If we are saying that, say, no one say, you're quite sketching, you're quite the name at the end, requiring the first one, blanket, basket, friend say, issue, pure water. Blanket, near the bread or more, or mobile swine, or more from who you're from Mabel. enti e omo said the omo pa no saa na mo pe ana say sakraye ba enti de say wa we bi no wa say otumi si gina ye twa so gbegbes eni Glife Eka Blekuma West constituency home ame Esla Ekofo Honorable Minister of Communication the pressure sunie na hadi ya mesra wa enya sam ketwa ye utumi se kurasi tu saa na meka no so ekurom na so hwe se de dan sie no utumi se nipa no omde dan na mai high no wo ba no obedina ho a aseke osedan wo se metwa ha ma wo say ye quarter half plot semi plot and you be the chest sim say abasa and ye janya tom say wom nipa e betwi o mafiri a obeti shock na kwanso asia ma mawura anka mnim say ahaso Ablekuma West a big community nipa gum because especially begbese glife opete kwei and ye dan so ma say nipa di ho na pili di ho siabu ni so o mu se dan kitikiti no mu pia ebusu pie free mu ba na asem keto anti abato free haba enye is say yet ukomu a even the edura dance man state they have issues but had here em say hia kura so mmebro so wa wudi wani hu na hu say yes na trouble don dey samu ha mame beme na ye ndi nkobo kakra mame na say had here em say mun kankran ho sola ahomache ekoto aba ampanyifo ba ye campaign wa mbo mkasa na kire mo
se na ekosi na meye kroni ya mai but ye hushi
mbe fie be se ni a omgusu ye kuro yom do amanu ye kuro
che mimi ba ha ba 8 years but na ye huni sa
womma samme sa na mka kire wo mo se ye mo ha no ka kire mo so me ya mambo
ai sa adina ye individual bia se na me meka no obi fufuro nka ne sa but ye here no ma bebre schools cry e say ye school ni do ati se nkola na efi aton akola stop ansana mbe ko school ye nya ba ko bi wa ha api toilet ye ni ensheda ni toilet road ni so ensheda and demo papa bola kura ye ni bi e wo glife kuro ha
eti mo bola mo ye nai
post station to na wo show bi be free abeko bola wa station there on say on to me nko ntonya baby a on to me nko echirisa nti sa no ma nyina hu hia ye wa ha nti hia no ma mo mbla na mo me
me nya sure say mutua light be wa ha
oyetia
muntua water be wa ha muntua tuo bia wa ha V8 no mo de nkamo
oh say light bill there street light in the can attach into ba o miss to light in kwa dia ubetia light bill
mutua tuo
etuo ti say in what
etuo Ghana obi etua tuo mutua bi de
no adi de ba o miss ebetia tuo tax bia say etua bia ebetia say ni pa ye wasas
oh me nya sure because me ba ha na mutua tuo nka nya reflection ni aha ekwan da ha ekura ya parking tutu ntie enya kwan ya ka atwam ze ba ko gina ba ko na ba ko abetini ade ohwe nkwala eyom nam ho msam ha yi a ena ya ba binada ye senka bebre na akọ school no om nam ha yi wahu ohwe se de omo aso bra ba ti se woni obi akọ achimata ko school a akwan bi aso akwala no wontwa
asam enini asam na me kire se school no kwan ni wa na se school no se last stop for kwa se dudun ayawa agbegbe se for beko we for beko nti ebe dos wo ene sa akwala no so beko school edu echira se lorry fare enu so e problem nti se yenya ba ko wa area mo ha ke enu so bebo aye
ye beda ma me ase na ye gusu ya ye ba ye kwa na ye hwese de ahate ye fa se e bia eja na ato ha ya fire service person obebo a ye kwa hwese de tie se nei baby amna me kra me na me bia me mienu a ye esi me a me tie me bia mienu a ye esi na wo awowa so ho obi fie na ye kwa ye yi nyina grife he ye bia etie ya asem bi esi twobo ni ye pe obi kra ma no so e na to taxi mu a ye taxi ti so ko nyina anafo ni ya peja nipa wonso mo ni ye de na sen o ma ne ha beat na wa ha yi ye dan so man beat no ne kra ba ka ba ko e na wa ha se makwesi ya no ano no Ghana pa mom de emom nyame anim ne kura ni ye wo kwatwa o because say asema me ka hwe fie gua Shefia Egua. Yeah, we're going to say, so I shouldn't be to me back for them. Any idea of work as a block or no in between that one and a tiano. A fear soon has I don't know because Bola be here. It's your end area or Baba Gum. What you go is one airball and a bank a crank across. I mean, it's terrible. A greater Accra region. Yeah, Blakuma West was some make you. It's bad, shameful. Tire bomb, new. So to be our cast away gun and you could not a fairly up them. Ye bomb kind of Brodidio and tried to Papabia of Africa will try to Papabia. Now, Kagana. Eh, what just a saco, no go try the echoes water saco. No habit, wabo, what two? A Kagana, a capital. Ye one crime. Ye Ucha Muaya Pamros and away, Nessa was saying, walk on Makati Hill, as a Kafu to one Yasam Kitwa. As to Gliffet, ye campaign. You want to wash your quite say, you bet me I be. Ah, home take. As Mamma Kay, Nanny. Yabaka, no any say, toilet had to quite be a society. And no more some petty damn petty. And no mubu or mubugum say, yeah, you can imagine. In this country, I at him one, no, every day, anyhow. Oh, every day, one day. And in the so more any. And you're from a far to one air conditioner in a country called Ghana. Capital. Terrible.